Hi, my name is Valerie Hyder, and I currently teach at Adairsville Middle School in Bartow County. This is my 13th year teaching, and I'm currently teaching 8th grade social studies. I received my bachelor's degree from Tennessee Tech University in 2002. Several coworkers recommended KSU's Instructional Technology program, so I began working toward my master's degree in the summer of 2016. I chose to pursue a master's in instructional technology for several reasons. First, Adairsville Middle School is in its 5th year as a fully one-to-one environment, and I wanted to continue learning ways to effectively utilize this new technology with my students. I also wanted to be able to help other teachers with technology integration and help them to be more comfortable when using technology in the classroom. Through this program, I have learned so much and grown as a professional. I have learned how to implement Web 2.0 tools in the classroom setting effectively, troubleshoot basic technology issues, and analyze my school's overall technology plan. I have learned how to be a technology facilitator and leader through several key field experience opportunities. One of my major accomplishments throughout this program was the opportunity to facilitate several teaching training sessions for my fellow 8th grade teachers on implementing a new learning management system, Schoology, into their classes to improve student engagement. As a teacher, I understand what it's like to be required to attend trainings that are often not as beneficial as we would like. Knowing this, it was important for me to make these training sessions meaningful and more hands-on. I wanted my peers to actually learn something from these sessions and be able to take away useful information they could use with their students in the classroom immediately. I also participated on the school improvement team these past 2 years, helping establish goals for each upcoming school year. This allowed me to practice leadership skills required of a technology leader. One of the major goals we established is to improve student learning and engagement through technology use in the classroom. Through these experiences, I have learned as a technology leader that it is essential to maintain a positive disposition while working with other teachers. Technology use does not come naturally to many people, so remaining positive and encouraging them to continue pursuing technology use is necessary for them to feel successful. There were several field experiences throughout this program that I learned a great deal from and also improved my way of thinking. The most beneficial field experience for me was conducting the SWOT analysis. This analysis really allowed me to see my school's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Through this assignment, I was able to facilitate the design and development of a strategic plan to improve overall technology integration at my school. As a technology leader, I must be able to assess the current state of my school, find solutions, and communicate findings to leaders so a plan can be implemented to improve technology and overall student learning and engagement. My goal is to become a technology coach in the very near future. Through this program, I have learned to appreciate all of the benefits using technology in the classroom has on student learning. Students truly enjoy when they get to use technology in the classroom, and I want other teachers to experience this with their students as well. I would make an excellent technology facilitator because I have 4 full years of working in a one-to-one environment, and I have had the opportunity to help other teachers see the benefits of technology use in their classrooms as well. I am eager to share all of the things I've learned through this program with others, and I look forward to technology's impact on student engagement at my school. A short-term goal that I have is to continue finding new and useful technology tools to integrate into my classroom to improve student engagement and to share these tools with my colleagues. I also want to continue working with the technology leaders in my school to continue building my knowledge and understanding of the technology use. I've enjoyed this experience and I look forward to applying what I have learned.